How to log out Messenger without switching account. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can log out of Messenger without switching your account. Now, if you use Messenger, you should probably know that Messenger doesn't have an option to basically log out of your account without switching the account. But here is a tip on how you can do it. Now, instead of opening the Messenger app, what you want to do is head into your phone settings. Now, if you scroll down the notification bar and on the top right corner, you'll find the settings icon and head into apps. Now, once on apps, what you want to do is on the search bar, you can search for Messenger and then open up and scroll down below. You'll find the storage option, tap on it, and at the bottom of your screen on storage, you'll find the option to clear your data. What you want to do is tap on clear data and it will delete your data. And once you do this, head back to Messenger. And if you head back to Messenger, your account will get logged out automatically. Now you can see I've tried to log into Messenger account and you can see my account is logged out and it is trying to log back in. Now don't do anything and it won't be logged into Messenger. So just leave it the way it is, just close it. Now until you open it up and sign into your account or log into your account, then you won't be logged in on Messenger, as it basically, after you reset the app, it will basically clear all the data and all your login info. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.